What's up everyone, my name is G the Train Guy. Today we're gonna box my new Sonic Origins Plus. This Sonic game is actually for Sega, but now it's for Nintendo Switch. Right, let's unbox this thing. Let's take this wrapping off. There we go. Here it is. Okay, I got my Switch here, and I'm gonna go use the Sonic Origins game card to put it in here. Okay, got my controller. Okay, let's do it. So you can see I already got my Tracks Toy Box Edition. If you want me to play that game, please let me know in the comments. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use this game card. There we go. A new game, Sonic Origins. Oh. I'll start the software. Okay, here we go. Here it is, Sega. Sonic Team. Okay. Here it is. Oh, there's Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles. Here it is. Looks like a Sonic cartoon. Whoa, Sonic's so fast. Oh, and there's Amy. Is that Robot Sonic? Whoa. Oh, there's Tails flying an airplane. Oh, the emeralds. Knuckles and Sonic facing each other. There's a whole Sonic crew. Sonic Origins. Okay. Wait, I did not do anything. Sonic Hedgehog 2, Sonic Hedgehog 3, Mission, Museum. Classic mode and boss rush. I'll play Sonic the Hedgehog 1 first. Start. I have to use the D-pad. coins. Okay, here we go. There's Sonic. Oh, whoa. Oh, the robots is trying to get the birds. The bird reminds me of Tweety Bird from Looney Tunes. Oh no, Eggman's kidnapped all the animals. Okay, Sonic's on his way to rescue the animals. We got a nice looking Sega logo here. Sonic Team presents. Oh, look this theme. Oh, I can be any character I like. All these characters look good, but for this video, I would be Sonic. Green Hill Zone Act 1. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, need to collect all the rings. How do I get? Oh, got that. Yeah. Whoa, okay, didn't mean to do that. Here we go. Okay. Oh, watch out for the fish. Watch out for the fish. Gotcha. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Drop down here. Oh, whoa. Okay, I fell. Okay, watch out for the spikes. Watch out for the spikes. Ah, yeah, more rings. Oh, I'm invincible. Oh, here we go. Yeah, going fast. Yes, more rings. Oh no! Yes! Okay, Act 1. Oh, wait a minute. Is that the big ring that I just saw? Whoa, that's a strange looking stage. I'm not used to controls. I'm not used to controls in this game. In this special level. Oh, whoa. Is that the emerald? I need to get the emerald. No, I don't want to get to the goal. No. Okay, I need to get there. Go. No! Okay, here we go again. Whoa. Whoa, watch out for those. Whoa. Whoa, let me get up there. You can break those. No, whoa, no! Oh, looks like you can't retry. Okay, Green Hill Zone, Act 2. Here we go. Whoa, watch out for the crab. Gotcha. Oh no, lost so many rings. Need the rings. No. Hey. Whoa. Need to do something. Yeah, let's Yeah, invincible. I'm invincible. Let's go. Like the theme. No! Green Zone, Act 2. Here we go again. Yeah! Here we go, here we go, here we go. No! Oh, come on. How come I'm going backwards? Watch out for that. Oh, gotcha. Whoa, whoa. Better watch out for the spikes. Don't kill me. Okay, whoa. Here we go. Yeah. Sonic has passed Act 2. Here we go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, Green Zone, Act 3. Oh, can you also use the joystick? No! Okay, here we go again. Here we go again. Whoa! There you go. Gotcha. Yeah! Have a shield. No! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Gotcha. Whoa! Wait, what? Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Look out for the spikes. No! No! Lost so many rings. I need to collect my rings. No! Again! No! 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 Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Whoa! Watch out for the spike. Whoa! Whoa! Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! 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 Oh no! Oh no! The platforms are falling. Yeah! Yeah, let's go! I'm invincible! Need to get the rings. Yeah! Wait, hold on. Is this the boss? Here we go! Okay, here we go! Watch out for the wrecking ball! There we go. Yes. Watch out for that. Wow. Need to get the ring. Wow. Gotcha. Need to get him again. What? Oh no. No, I need the ring. I need the ring. I need the ring. Again. No, don't mess with me, Eggman. Gotcha. No. Yeah, let's go, baby. Yeah. Okay, guys, that will be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to play more of Sonic Origins Plus. Also, give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos in the near future. So, G to Train, guys, signing off.